All right, I've taken that 180 bar system and broke it down to a smaller system for my scalpers. Doing a 33.4 Ninja. I've got here 40 stop loss, 8 tick take profit. The idea of this one is the same. You wait for price to come back inside and you enter a trade. I got 110 EMA here. And hold on, let me take this trade real quick, even though it's against the
order filled.
Even though it's against the moving average, I'm just showing you where to enter this trade.
Target filled.
See, and bam, 8 ticks that fast. All right, we're not going to take no more trades because we're only doing 1 trade per color. But until you get good at this, I would just follow this 110 EMA. Just take longs above it. As soon as you come back inside, take a long. Here, as soon as you, if we're below this, as soon as you come back inside, take a, well, that's not a good example. And Q's been mostly longs today. There we go. As soon as you come back inside this orange line, take a short. I'm not taking this long because we're below the 110 EMA. Anyway, let me give you my settings here. You got a linear regression 9, EMA 5.2, blue, white, 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 red, and our lines are 65 and 22. You just see me take that trade, how simple it is. As soon as you come out of this bottom line, as soon as you enter back in this bottom line, you take your trade. Well, that's a pullback there, but here on a color change. And the nice thing about this setup is you get a warning of what direction your next trade is. Red, as soon as we turn white, as soon as we cross this line, we're in red trades. Blue, as soon as we cross this line, we're in blue trades. Red, as soon as we cross this line, we're entering a red trade. Blue, as soon as we cross this line right here, we enter this trade. Let me show you exactly where I'm talking about. Right here, as soon as we cross this line right here, as soon as we cross this line right here, we're in the trade. Now see, we're starting to break this. So if we break out of this and then come back in, we'll enter a trade. I'll show you if it does it real quick. These, when they get real tall like this is how you know you want to enter. See how tall they are right here? These right here are just more pullback trades. This might just be a pullback. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Go ahead and get my buy ready, just in case, because see, this is telling us what the next direction is going to be before the next direction even happens. And if you want to throw this blue bounce point on there, that helps you out a little bit too. I don't really use it, but I know a lot of you guys use it, so I have it on there. I have this at a 210. And then I have a line down here. See, I think this is just going to be a pullback. We'll see. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and grab 8 ticks. We're going to play. It's called playing the wick. We're going to play that wick a little bit. It's dangerous once you already get all the way up in here. That's dangerous to play that wick. We'll see what happens. There it goes. It's really dangerous to play this wick right here because we're above the EMA too. So don't trade like this. Don't trade like I'm trading. Trade like I tell you to trade.
Target filled.
There we go. We grabbed it anyways, but you see, I took that trade to show you that until this price is getting up here, you're not going to change directions. These are just pullbacks. These lower ones like this are just pullbacks. Well, let's go back and look at this chart. You can see high. I mean, if you guys want, you can just take your drawing tool, put a horizontal line there. You guys can just put 2 horizontal lines on that indicator. Oops. So that you know. Drawing tool, horizontal line. So all you got to do is that. So you know if it breaks those lines, you're getting ready for a direction change. So see, now we're getting high up. We're getting close to this line up here. You know, if it doesn't touch this line, you're probably not going to do a direction change. It's probably just a pullback trade. But if it breaks this line, you're guaranteed a direction change. I mean, it doesn't, I don't know that I can make this any easier for you guys. I really don't. I've tried and tried and thought and thought and thought and looked at a million different things. I just don't know if I can make it any easier. And like I said, don't trade like I'm just taking these trades because I'm making a video and I want to show you the entries. But don't trade like I'm trading on this video. If you got it above the EMA, take longs. If you're below the EMA, take shorts. You need 1 or 2 trades a day, guys. I can't stress that enough. You don't have to trade all day. You don't have to take 30 and 40 and 50 trades. That's ludicrous. You take 1 or 2 winning trades and you're done for the day. And then switch over to Sim like I am. See, I'm on Sim. I'm testing this stuff for you guys. I'm making a video for you guys. And then you can trade all day, perfecting your entries as much as you want. But if you're live, take 1 or 2 trades a day and be done. Don't be greedy. If you're greedy, the market's going to take it back. The market is going to make you pay if you're greedy. That's the truth. It doesn't matter whether you want to hear it or not. It doesn't matter whether you want to believe it or not. If you take 1 or 2 trades a day, you should be able to do this for a living. I've done this for years and years and years and years. And even with me, I promise you, if I get greedy, no matter how good of a trader I am, I end up losing eventually. I don't have losing days, but I do have losing trades. Well, it's 254. The market's just not moving very fast now. But you can see how I did this. You can see how high it needs to be to tell you that you're going to be getting a reversal. So let me get back to the classroom. I hope this video helped you guys. We'll talk to you later.